Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to solve Feb March paper 2025 presentation. Okay, alright, so let us start the paper. So now we will start with the task 4, which is presentation. Alright, you are going to create a short presentation. All slides must be consistent layout and format. Create a presentation of 8 slides using M2521 presentation. To do this, I'm going to use the Microsoft presentation application software. So let me delete the dummy slide. Okay, now let's me import. To import the slide, to import the text file, we will go to new slide, slide from outline. Okay, and then support file M25 presentation and enter. Perfect. So complete 8 slide we can able to see here. Unless otherwise instructed, the slide must be displayed as a title and bullet list. Yes, title and bullet list, title and bullet list, everything is fine. Next, place in a header automated slide number, center align, include your name, center number, candidate number on every slide. So here they only assign the value to the header, automated slide number, and the footer. In footer you can put your name, center number and candidate number. All right, so to do this I will go to view, slide master. Okay, we will go to the main slide and then let me remove this all because it is a user defined. They ask us to put the slide numbers and all. Okay, so we will click on insert text box. Okay, and just do it and press it here. Should be center align. Perfect. Now next, what we need to add here? We need to add here the slide number. Done. Now next, name, center number, candidate number. Again, we will use the text box in the bottom. In the bottom, again we will use the text box. In the bottom, I will write here. Okay. Now done. Now, okay, we will put the name, center number, candidate number now. For that also we will click on insert text box and here is so name, center number IN 123 and the candidate number is 1234. All right, done. Now next, change the slide number to have a title slide layout with no bullets. Make sure all text on the slide is center aligned. All right, so now go back to normal view, select the first one and go to layout. It's a title slide. Next, on slide 1 enter a new line below the subtitle. All right, and then it should be written as a presentation by followed with your name. Okay, so here after that enter, right click, paste presentation by your name ABC. Done. Format the line at the same style as subtitle. Yes, it is already in the same style. Next, use the data from the file M2521 world yield.csv. Create a line graph. Here student, they are asking us to create a line graph to display only the crop yield of rice, wheat and maize, only 3 category and only 2011 to 22 format. And this should be look like this. Okay, the charts, final chart. So to do that, I will go to my support file folder. Now let me open the world 2521 yield. So here I don't need this cassava, we don't need potato, okay, we don't need this all soya beans entries, and we don't need the 2010 also. Now this is the only we needed. Select all, click insert and go to line chart, press the line chart. Done. Now next, what else we have to do? Done. Now the crop name should be displayed as a legend below the crop axis. All right, and year label are displayed vertically. Okay, this should be look like this, something new they ask us to do. So let's do it. Okay, so to do that I will select this first axis. Now let me right click here, let's select this years, right click, select data and first select this, edit, and this is the range we wanted to have here. Perfect. Okay, and then okay, yes, here, but this should be vertical. So how to do it? Click on home, text direction, bottom, vertical axis, and that should be bottom. Perfect. Yes. So here you can see 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, so on. Right, done. Now what else? Yes, done. Now label the chart, the world title yield, Control C, and here the labeling of the chart here, Control V. Perfect. Next, category access as a year, the bottom. Okay, so now here category access bottom is, oh, here category access bottom here is the year, YEAR, year. Done. Next, what I have to do, the value access is stone per hectare. So let me, the accesses we already added, Control V, stone per hectare. Next, format the value access minimum 3 and maximum 6. So this is the value access. Let me enlarge it so that you can able to see clearly. So let me select this and right click, format accesses. Right click, format accesses. Minimum is how much? 3. Minimum is 3 and the maximum is 6. Maximum is 6. Alright, so done. Let's go to the next question. Place a chart at the right of the bullet on the slide title called Adapting to Increase the Demand. Okay, so let's do it. I need to find out adapting the increase. Yes, this is here. So we need to put the chart at the right of the bullets. Okay, so now let me select this layout view to content, yeah, and right side is my chart. So I will copy the chart, Control C, and here I'm going to paste it, Control V. So perfect, the chart is here. Now yes, we're done with this. Next, what we need to do, make sure that no words are split. Yes, here we can see here clearly, this is also perfect, and data labels are fully visible. Okay, data labels, oh, they're asking here data labels, so let me add the data labels, and then here also data labels. Perfect. Now next, chart and its contents are do not overlap. Yes, we can see here this perfectly fine. Print only the slide as a full page in the landscape. Okay, Control P, only this slide landscape, take the printout. Next, insert a new slide as slide 2 with a title and the bullet list out. So I will go here, right click, new slide, after the first slide, second slide. Okay, and the slide title will be, okay, so now let me put the title first. Okay, and the title will be the challenge. Okay, Control V, the challenge. Yes, 3 bullet points: increase the population, increasing the need of the food, and the climate change is threatening to the crop. Copy this 3 and one by one 3 bullet points. Done. Okay, let me format as it is. Okay, so now let me click on format and then, okay, what is the size of this? I'm just arranging, it is 44, Calibri light and bold and italic. Okay, so here also we need to make it 44, Calibri light and italic and bold. Okay, now next what I have to do, format the title bullet so that the same style, yes, we already applied, size and format the other slide presentation. Okay, add an auction button below the bullet text. All right, we will do it. All right, so this is done. Let me go to the next question. Add an action button below the bullet text of the last slide. All right, so to do this we will go back to the last slide. Next, so that below the bulleted text here, okay, fine, so that when it click it will go to the first slide of the presentation. Here we need to do the hyperlink. Okay, here we need to hyperlink this. Okay, so first of all let me add the auction button. Where you will find auction button, click on insert shapes. Okay, in shapes you need to find out the auction buttons. Any auction button you can choose. Okay, as they did not mention anything, so I'm using the add an auction button, so I'm using the house auction button, so that it will click and goes to the first slide. So it should goes to the, yeah, first slide. Next goes to first slide in the presentation and take a screenshot. Here you need to take a screenshot, students. Okay, simply take the screenshot and then press OK. Press OK, done. So when it will click, once you insert, prepare the presentation, it will directly, once you're done with the presentation, it will directly take you to there. Next, save the presentation. Save the presentation file. Save. Okay. Now next, print all the slides as a handouts with 3 slides to a page. Okay, 3 slides to a page. To do this, what I will do, I'll go to first slide, Control P, and 3 slides per page. Okay, so here 3 slides per page you can get easily. Next, anything else? Nothing else. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.